Tell me, what is the aspect of cricket that probably helped you in bettering your game at golf?
I think I would say, Sakshi, meditation and the concentration. And when you breathe, I think this game is more of your alignment. When you're playing golf, I think it's a lot of stress buster. You just go out there with your teammates, enjoying with the CEOs of the companies. It's a great way of socializing with a great group of chairmen. But I think golf teaches you a lot. It looks very simple, but you can do a lot of fitness. You can enjoy whether you want to play 9 hole, 18 hole.
Yes.
But I think the game has been amazing.
Well, wonderful to hear that. But tell me, cricket is a very agile game. You have to make so many decisions at the fractions of seconds. But here, you have to take it easy. A lot of patience right there. So how did you make that transition?
I think in this world, in digital world, you need to learn patience with this game. I think once you more into your zone, you're looking after your patience level in goal. Sometimes you get birdies, sometimes you play the bigger shot. You need to alignment the rule of the game, and you just focus more with your team. You play with your team, and you tend to learn a lot of good things. I think, as you said, the golf has been amazing. It teaches you a lot about your life, about your character, about your life being. I think it's been most important tournament after we played cricket.
Absolutely. You began by talking about how golf is getting into an interesting phase right now. It's getting very better in India. There are more and more people who are getting attracted towards golf as well. How are the opportunities for the young sportsmen out there who are aspiring for either golf and for cricket?
Yeah, I think we should play a lot of outdoor sport. Whether you're having a lot of iPad games and this and that, I think it's very important to go outdoor. Like, look at the weather. I think it's been amazing now. Nice, cool weather. You're enjoying and getting a sweat. At the same time, you're doing something on the ground. I think that's more important when you go. I think you need to breathe outside. I think the touch with the weather has been amazing now. Not too much pollution or something. But I think playing sport outside teaches you a lot. Telling you about your diet, telling you about your strength, telling you about your sleep pattern, your cardio, your strength, and most importantly, your meditation. I think in this world, you need to have your me time. Whether you cook, whether you play, or whether you travel, I think golf is the solution.
That's wonderful to hear that as well. Tell us one thing that as a lesson from golf that you take back to your family, to your personal life.
I think I would say peace. Peace is something you learn over the years. Once you achieve everything in your life, I think peace comes within yourself, within your liking, what you like, what you not. I think I would say cricket has been always a pressure game when you're representing your country. Golf, I play with my daughter in Holland when we go there. My wife also plays, my son also plays.
Wow.
So we have a beautiful golf course in Amsterdam. We played in Gurgaon, we play in Noida, we play in Bangalore whenever we have time. I think golf is something everyone should take it as a hobby. I think it's been amazing.
But also tell me the other aspect, what's happening in cricket right now. I can't let you go before asking some questions on that too. India and Australia right there. What are, the chances there? What do you feel about the team?
I think Travis Head again, he scored 100 in pink ball, white ball, red ball. He scored a magnificent 100 today. I think Bumrah bowled really well. I think we lost a couple of wickets early, but I think Rohit should find a way to come up the order. I think he's a gun player. He won a lot of matches for us, but batting 5-6, I think I would say he should bat up the order. But I think we won first test match. This looked a bit tricky, but still Rishabh is batting now, and we have Nishit Reddy. The guy's been amazing. And whatever Gautam Gambhir and BCCI took the decision, promoting Bumrah as a captain, he clicked. Putting Nitish Reddy number 6-7, he's been amazing. Then look at that, Yashasvi Jaiswal, he's batting with KL Rahul. They both are doing tremendously well, but I think this test match still a long way to go.
And what about the World Test? What is the expectation there?
I think we need to do really, really well, because if you see the Aussie, I think they played a lot more test matches with the pink ball compared to, I think we only played a couple of games, not too much. I think once you get used to with the pink ball, then you can really do well. But once we come back to the red ball, then I think we have Bumrah, we have Siraj, I think Shami also going there, Rohit is back. So hopefully, there's a lot of test matches coming up now. We'll do really well.